So guys, welcome back to MC Place. I don't know if you can hear the dogs, but welcome back to MC Place. Today we are going to play Battle Cats. I think most of you know what Battle Cats is. It's like a cats battle, duh. So I'll pick a language. Let's pick English. The most language once every 24 hours. Interesting. The most recent game data will be downloaded. We recommend connected to a stable Wi-Fi network before starting installation. Language options can be found at the settings menu. Download remaining 569 MB. Okay. Oh, that's gonna take some time. I'll see you guys when it's done. Or give some update. Home stretch. Close. Almost done. 51, 52, 53. Okay. It is downloading and it is still loading. Wow. This is gonna take some time, I guess. Okay, I'll tell you when I'm handing out the updates. Okay, there's no need to go. Too cheap. We are powerless to their will. We cannot stop their looting. Come to think of it, cats have already invaded the internet too. We have the best information technology system and use them to look at cats. By the way, the developer of these battle cats was interviewed on TV. It went like this: why did you recommend cats? And he answered, because I love cats. Are you serious? I just read what I wrote about. So I've forgotten how bad my writing was. My biggest mistake was I don't know who I am writing to. I remember my days as a kid. I wanted to be a major leaguer. Now I want to be a millionaire CEO of a social network. I mean, yeah, money. We don't need love. The answer is, I want to tell you one thing. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Come on. Okay. Return mode. Settings play. Let's play. Korea, energy -5. -5. Interesting. Wait, energy 100? Attack? Okay, Korea's energy is -5. The battle begins.
But we have 100, right? So
yes.
I guess.
Attack the enemy base. Okay, cool. Tap this icon to produce a cat. You need money, not real, duh. To produce cats, wait until enough is saved up. Like Jesus. Quickly! There's time. Okay, now let's sort you some cats. Tap the icon below. Cats attack the enemy base automatically. Save money first and keep producing cats. The cats. Murder them. What are you? Get more money. Tap icon indicated by the arrow and increase money projection. Okay, the capacity of the wallet is also increased and gives you a resource advantage. Interesting. Oh wow.
That's bad.
You're destroying them. They're being beat.
Look at our health. Is that our health?
That's
That's our money.
That's our health. That's our money.
Look at that health.
Oh my god, that's
Robin.
They're already beating me. There's so many dogs and they're all going to heaven.
Another one.
They're going to Valhalla.
Valhalla? Oh yeah. Valhalla. So, there is no Valhalla.
An icon appears in the cat cannon ready to fire. Lure the enemies into firing range. And then fire. Okay. Can we shoot back something? Come back. Can't move the enemies to the firing range.
They're dead. They're doomed. They're going to die. They're only going to die. Look at them. Look at them.
Yeah, we won. We gained 1000 XP.
Oh my god.
Treasure is superior kimchi. Chinese, I'm guessing. Okay. We're doing good. The treasure menu has been unlocked. Get cat treasure to activate cat treasure bonuses. Check the help menu for more info. Okay. The item shop is now open. You can buy many useful items to use in the battle here. Okay. Cat name challenges are now available. Complete various missions to receive awesome rewards. Okay. That's a bunch of items. Login daily. Who are you? Cat Jesus? Trade cat food received. Thank you. 29 more until you get this special cat. Special cat.
Aww,
Where is he?
special cat.
Special cat? Who's that? That is.
Right there.
My cat. Okay. Special bonus. You got an item, one cat ticket received. Oh, okay, good. Thank you. Inquiry code. This code required to recover your data. Be sure to keep it safely recorded. Okay. Now safely recorded. Okay. Nothing here now. Start our power pack setup. We are not waiting for that. Upgrades. Store.
Upgrade.
In use. What's this guy? Dying cat.
Cat.
The cat god?
Oh.
What?
Something like cat Jesus.
I'm confused. Who's back?
Upgrade.
Can we use a schedule? Top high health area attack. Strong left.
Okay.
Can we
You
do
need
him?
cat. You need to acquire.
Got him. He's in use.
The tank cat.
We're both at 700 now.
What is he eating?
Nothing. He's opening his mouth. Wow, interesting. Oh, they got cat food.
Cat CPU.
Cat
XP.
food.
Cat
Sniper the
No,
cat. Oh my god.
You have to take it.
We don't have enough cat food. But we got
Upgrade,
two. We got two.
Upgrade. We can't upgrade.
You don't need to upgrade.
Okay, so we need to go to so I guess we need to go to the thing.
Yeah, sleep.
Okay, people, Emmy out.
And he just left.
I'll see you people later.
Okay. Welcome to the cat base. There is a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Is the cat ready? Okay, so. Need to upgrade cats quickly if you can't spare time to clear stages. You can always buy more XP packs in the cat shop using cat food. Go have a look. See the inquiry code, the upper left of the title screen. Write it down, you might regret one talent. Where is it? Upper left of the title screen.
Emmy back.
Oh. Amy's back now.
I changed my
Some
mind.
missions. random challenges. Great.
Mission complete. Cool. What's the next one?
We got 50 cannons. Maybe we can do something in the shop now. Store.
Ooh, buy.
No.
Buy.
I want to save up for the sniper cat. Put the blue in the sun. Can you play now?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, stop.
So, I love this thing.
Tab an item icon you want to use. Note. Please set your item before battle. Unlock.
Attack.
And here.
Attack.
What's the thing? Item lock. Lock items to keep them in use. When you progress through different stages. Oh my god, what is this? Wait, guys.
Attack.
Okay, guys, sorry for that code as that came. So, let's get back to the game. Attack. Mongolia. Stop screaming it.
Wait, will we attack our own country?
No.
Like when
I hope not. This is China, probably.
This is
What
China.
is this house? Yeah, I don't know Mongolia.
Yeah, this is China, but we are in Sri Lanka.
Somewhere in China. Okay, that's
I
snake.
really need the speed.
Oh, they got snakes. Oh, they got snakes. Too bad.
Snake?
Oh, they got snakes. Oh no, that's not it. That's not what this out. Cannon, we need you, man. Gosh, we're losing 0 by a second. Get to 100.
Cannon. Oh no, not cannon.
Tank! The tank!
Look at the tanker. He's so tall.
He is. He's a dude. He's a guy. He's a man of a lifetime.
The cannon. Fire.
No. They're not in range. You don't need to fire. You don't need to fire at the moment. They're going down. Give me the cannon. That's our tanks. Bashing them.
Can you please use the cannon? We've now seen the cannon.
There you go.
The cannon, did you do it?
Yeah. Nothing happened. Just a laser beam went because there's no people in the vicinity. Gained 1,300 XP. Cool. Using a treasure radar will make sure you get those hard to get treasure and drop items missing a piece from your set. This is a tool to use. Tap and hold a unit icon to show up info about their skills and abilities. Okay. Collect cat treasures from each stage. The higher quality cat treasure will give better cat treasure bonuses. Okay. Cat Goes Miracle use of cat food, but have super powerful effects. These really help in a pinch, so ask a way to help you win. Having trouble? Repeat stages to get some XP and upgrade your cats. Need to upgrade cats quickly if you can. Okay, we said this. Okay, cool. Alright, same thing. Okay, same thing. Now we did upgrade. Do you have a new person?
What?
No, just the power.
What?
Charge, worker cat.
Wallet.
Are you?
Research. Accounting. Study.
Okay, don't scream it out.
Okay.
No, that's good.
Upgrade the tank cat.
Yeah, upgrade both cats.
Okay, wait, you can do that? Yes.
This guy 1,600, this guy 1,100.
Wow, the tank cat is
Okay.
peaceful.
No, okay. Now we go back.
And can we start another one again?
Yeah, you can do that. Check the store. No, we're not buying that.
Aww.
We're buying sniper cat. Stop.
Okay. But now China
is -8. My energy is 98 because I'm still using energy, so.
the little bit is China?
Yeah, that's been China. We're king to China now.
We are in China, right? We are China, right?
No, this is not China, sorry. This is Mongolia, this is like Korea or something, and this is Mongolia, and then now we're in China. You can see the borders are
Okay, let's do it.
Attack! The battle begins.
begins.
Interesting.
Where's the
Oh, there they are. Hey, there's a Great Wall of China.
Oh my god. The Great Wall of China. Here we are coming.
Let's get 2 of our men in. Then let's upgrade so we can get this cougar tanker.
Upgrade. They look so cute, but when they like chop, like when they eat, that's so scary. Like creepy. Creepy bang. We need to upgrade the tank guy again, because the tank guy takes a long time to do his next bite.
Yeah, I guess so.
What's the thing? Fire.
Worthless to do it.
Oh yeah. Now do it. Oh no, that's the yellow people. 2 of those coming high.
Hi.
I don't know what I'm talking about. The tank guy is so slow. Oh, poor tank guy.
Tank guy. Okay. It's tank cat. They're coming in, they're hoarding.
But I thought the bad guys were like black sheep, like that.
No,
black
the
sheep.
gold is the black person.
Wait, no, I thought they were like black cats with like long, ginormous legs. Really long legs.
No. Okay, good. Then 1,600. Yay!
Yeah.
Oh, there's a new cat.
What? No way.
There's a new cat.
Yes. Yes.
Upgrade.
Upgrade.
Who is he?
This one.
Acquire. Yes.
Upgrade.
Yes. No.
We can't do it again.
1,800. Ooh, this guy's cool.
Oh my god, he's the best one yet.
Combat Maniac. Strong against red enemies. I have no idea what that is. Fine. Yes.
This is the best thing ever. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
I'm gonna upgrade the cat. Now these guys are both same now. Level 4, level 2, and level 3. This guy level 4 is this guy's gonna be. So now you'll find everything is cool.
Keep your enemies timed down with cover flame. Cover fire from Sniper the cat. Sniper the cat. I don't know what to
Thailand, -8.
Oh my god, I think we'll go to China because we're going to so many.
Hey, we can see Sri Lanka.
Hey, we can wait. Sri Lanka looks awkward.
Yeah, it's messed up on the
It's
map.
like kind of map.
It's like a little. I think you guys can see it. Maybe.
And look at India. India at the end, the edge at the India, it's kind of like.
Okay, we are not like soldiers. No, we are not like cartography. So I just 2 fight. 3, 2, 1, go!
Attack!
The battle begins.
Oh, I thought they say random things.
No, they don't say what?
Oh,
Random
okay, so-
thing?
Oh,
We can't even get this guy until we get an
Like-
upgrade.
Like, call your mama.
We need 2 upgrades
Oh no,
to get this
mom.
guy. We need 2 upgrades to get this guy. Oh my gosh, this new guy. Molly. What about it? We should have done something.
Okay.
They're big man. We did the X guy, so I just put one more U and it's upgrade.
Okay.
Upgrade! I need to get the max. You guys are holding on to win it.
Where's the firing point we can use? Oh my god. They will never make it to there, so we don't need it. What are those stickmen?
Oh my god, it's Stickman.
So many stickmen.
You're here. He's fast.
Oh wow, he's fast. He's really fast. Here he comes.
Oh no, people are dying.
Oh no, the tank, whatever, the tank
died.
Tank cat. The tank cat died. Amazing. Okay.
Okay. Never read them. Oh my god, the X cap.
Wait a minute, look at that place. Look at that place.
Don't scream.
Just look at the place.
Whoa.
It's like a dog ever.
It's a temple.
It's a temple. It's a dog ever.
That's the X cats.
Yeah, I get it, silent. Silent is some kind of whatever.
We're breaking down.
Broken.
1,900.
1,900.
Wait. Inferior color of the gilded. Received.
I don't get
Thank
it.
you. Whatever that
You
is.
said it was saying okay. Special.
Ooh.
You got an idea. No, you got an item. You got an idea.
Thank you for the item. Feeling strapped for cash. Start the fight with a full wallet and motivated work cat using a rich cat. Interesting. So guys, let's just upgrade some more people and let's just end it here for today. I hope you guys like this episode of Battle Cats and
Great.
That's upgrade later.
Why?
Number three. Not good.
Oh my god, that was
Okay,
so
guys.
bad.
Peace. See you next time.
And hope we see you back in MC Play.
Okay. Bye.